This is story time with Leanna. I'm Paul. This is Leanna.
Hi!
What's the story for today, Leanna?
Flowers!
Flowers?
Yeah.
What flowers?
These flowers.
Oh, what's going on?
The flowers are doing something.
What are they doing?
They're knitting with
What?
lots of strings.
Knitting with lots of string. Well, that's creative. What are they knitting?
Making a square.
A square?
A big giant square.
Wow. What color is the square?
Blue, like a soul.
Oh, azul, blue, huh? That's my favorite color.
They made it. Right here. By Grandpa.
That's Grandpa? Who's the one in the middle?
Yeah, right here.
Who's that?
And this is me.
That's you?
Yeah. Well, I was me. And my grandpa was me.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Who's the one on the end?
My mommy was happy. My mommy was mad again.
Oh, no. Why is she mad?
Because Daddy's being nice to me. Because I'm sad and crying.
So what else is going on?
There was a big drop. There was a big drop on my face, and then I kind of falls on the ground.
Oh.
And then I was happy.
Well, that's good. Is that the end of the story?
Yep. I'm going to get another one. So you have to see what I'm drawing.